The Autel MX-Sensor TPMS 2in1 is an innovative solution that combines two frequencies into one sensor, allowing seamless integration without the need for relearning. This sensor is compatible with over 150 car brands and more than 15,000 models worldwide, making it incredibly versatile for various vehicles. With the ability to program up to 20 sensors simultaneously, the Autel MX sensor is a cost-effective option for both home and professional use, reducing inventory needs. Its interchangeable design with rubber and metal valves ensures it can replace 98% of original equipment sensors, simplifying installation and reducing time spent. Designed specifically for Autel TPMS programming tools, this sensor offers enhanced convenience when replacing broken or low battery sensors. The robust construction with an automotive-grade battery and resistance to extreme temperatures ensures the Autel MX sensor is durable and dependable.